So, I have picked up this stool from Ikea. It's nice, I really like it, however I do want to try and change it a little bit just so it fits in with the rest of the furniture in my house, because I do think it is a little bit plain. I want to be able to use it for a storage facility in the bathroom, something like that, something in the lounge, I'm not really sure really, but I want it to fit with the rest of my furniture. So to do this, I'm going to try and reinvent it by spraying it white. However, I don't want to spray the whole stool white. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this masking tape just to mask off the parts of the stool which I do want to keep the original wooden colour. So, as you can see, I have masked off the areas of the stool which I don't want to spray paint. Because it is a plain wood, I do want to use a bit of primer beforehand just to make sure that the white paint that I spray onto it sticks onto it well. I've read the instructions on the back of the can and it does say to shake the can for 1 minute. I also like to shake it upside down just because I think it makes the paint mix a bit more. That's it. So I'm going to get on with my priming. So now we can get into the painting. As before, I have read the instructions on the back of the can and also just given it a shake for a minute like it says. Right, now is my favourite time of the whole process, the big reveal. I have let the paint dry for the recommended amount of time that it says on the back of the can, and what I'm going to do is just remove the masking tape. So as you can see, you've got the nice line and you've got the two-toned stool. That's going to look really good, I think, in the house. I'm going to use that as either a bedside table or I might put it in the bathroom, use it for a bit of storage. But no, I'm really happy, it looks really good.